Alright, so in this video, well, if you can tell by, well, reading the title, we're going to be playing Animal Rivals VR, also known as Dead Eye, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to be playing 2v2s with some randoms, and I'll try my best. So, this is my loadout, the McDougal or Deagle, whatever you want to call it. Revolver, a grenade launcher, and a machete. Alright, let's get into it. Teammate, we got this through. Oh, let's go. Let's go. That was
Where's the copy my loadout?
Let's go.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh.
There. Let's
Kill this guy.
easy.
Fine. Where's fine, dude?
Let's go. Let's go.
You suck. Win streak disappear.
Yo, that is the worst win streak I could possibly have. I don't.
Yeah, that's the worst win streak I could possibly have.
Who are you?
I got this!
Round starting.
No, behind bounce. Hit him. I hit him. I don't know how I hit him. I hit him once.
Oh, jeez, bro.
Alright, that's it for this video. So, I'll see you in the next one.